Arms, 5891 Highway 230 West. 5891 Highway 230 West had an explosion at Accurate Arms. Everybody is en route. 10-4.
79 to route to station 2. 64 route to station 1.
City Fire, just be advised we are setting up a TILA flight zone at the airport.
I'm not going to be able to go to the call, so...
62 units responding to station 2. TAC 1 to any units responding to station 2. I'm meeting you guys at station 2 now per Captain Johnston. Captain Johnson said go ahead and roll engine 2 when y'all get a full crew on. TAC 1's responding times 2.
10-4. City Fire, just be advised. We have been advised there's a gas line on fire and there's about 12 people that are unaccounted for as of right now. 12 people unaccounted for. City Fire unit, if you could advise whether or not Meriwether Lewis needs to come out there or wait. They're just wanting to know how they can help if they supply the power out there. 10-4, Meriwether Lewis Electric is wanting to know if they need to come out there right now or if they need to stage or what they need to do. They supply the power out there. They're wanting to know how they can help. What was your unit number? 10-4.
94 will be standing by station. 70 to engine 2, you copy my traffic on coming in the main entrance.
Copy that, 10.
City Fire, what was your traffic? On the map, it shows if you go all the way back, you're going to hit a fork in the road, and you should go to your right. If you're on Highway 230 West, just keep going. You'll run right into it. City Fire units, just be advised, we do need to set up a PILA site. We are going to be setting it up at exit 152 in the open area. 152 at the interstate in the open area on the exit. 10-4. We're just relaying it to all of you. 10-4.
70 to engine 2. 70 to engine 2. 70 to engine 2. 70 to Chris Wright.
82. 81, go ahead. 81. City units, are y'all standing at the main gate? I'm trying to figure out which fire department is at the main gate with the families.
Go ahead, Captain Wright. Go ahead, Captain Wright.